na, mahingo ko. Teacher.
Teacher? You really want to be a teacher? I guess that's all right. Who wants to say prayer and then we're done? Who wants to say a prayer and we're done? How about Generous? Generous say a prayer. Who? Oh, okay. Get up there.
Ikaw yung naling.
Sorry mo, oy. Ambot lang kay Kawa, manimong bata ka. Ikaw kay Gina. Oh, si Gina, dali tayo. Ito na, may kaya mo sila, di ka mauwaw. Sanag ka.
First of all, I would like to thank you, Lord Jesus, because He gave us blessings and gracia. My name is Ronaldin Malihot and teacher's name Mrs. Tarongoy, and I'm third year high school.
So how much longer does she have, Eileen? One more year?
Yeah, one more year.
And I want to be a nurse.
To high school.
How much is the tuition? Ask the mom, might know. How much is the tuition for one semester for nursing?
Ang bayad sa one it's dependent.
Just guess. Just tell me a number. What's the barato? How much? A semester? Is that all? That's not much. How much is the private school? 25,000? Well, tell the mom there to tell her to keep her grades up because we'll pay for her college. That's all these kids, to tell all these kids it's really important to keep their grades up. Keep them high. And if anybody's child has bad grades, to come and see us and we'll figure something out. See what I mean? Because if no college, you're patay, man. And English. Tell them to bring the older ones, bring their English homework over here. Because tell them, you got to get a work visa in the USA or a student visa. If you don't speak English, you're not going. The most important thing you can learn is English.